Hey guys, welcome to this channel, and today we will be solving an interesting problem called number of ways to split array. And now we will go through our problem statement. This is a zero indexed integer array of nums of length n, which contains a valid split at index I if the following are true. What are those rules? Let's see. Okay. The sum of first I plus 1 elements is greater than or equal to sum of the last n minus I minus 1 elements. There is at least one element to the right of I. Return the number of valid splits in nums. Okay, okay. So I'll explain you this problem with the help of example. Okay, let's say your I starting from here, right? 10. So I, which the sum of the sum of elements till I plus 1 should be greater than or equal to the sum of elements other than 10. Okay, so so in this case, the sum of this, because it is a single element, the sum will be 10 only. So 10, which is compared with the sum with 4 plus minus 8 plus 7, which is 3. And yes, 10 is greater than 3. So we will increase, so there's one valid split. And after that, we will increase our I value. So I will be till I plus 1. That means 0 and 1 together will be considered for the sum. So it is 14, 14 which is greater than minus 1, right? And then when we go to this 10, um, 10 plus 4, 14 minus 8 is 6. 6 which is not greater than 7. So that is not considered as a valid split. So see. So splitting the number at index 0. So the first part is 10 and its sum, which is the second part, 4 plus minus 8 plus 7, which is 3. And 10 is greater than or equals to 3, and this is a valid split. And how do we increase the valid split? In my approach, I would like to use I would like to use a count variable to increase the valid number of splits, right? Let's work on this code now, right? So initially I will put total sum of the array, so that I will have the total sum of the array, and then we should traverse through all the indexes with the respective elements, right? So I will be subtracting each element from that. You got it what I'm saying? I will have the sum of the array, that is 10 plus 4 is 14 minus 8 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13. So now 13 is our total sum, and if you want to find the sum of the elements other than sum of after like how do I say this? Okay, the sum of first other than the sum of first I plus 1 elements I should find, right? How will I find this? I can find the difference from the total sum in the sum of elements till I plus 1, right? So that works like so I can just keep total sum is equal to sum of num, and now I will put a counter variable, which is for now c is equal to 0. And now, okay, just guess what will be our idea in this. So now I will put a left sum. Okay, left sum. According to our condition, we should find the sum of first I plus 1 elements is greater than or equal to the sum of last n minus I minus 1 element. So initially left sum is also 0. Now I will want to find what is the left sum. Okay, for I in range of len of nums minus 1. Left sum is finding the sum of elements, and then my finding the difference of the total sum minus left sum, which gives you the difference of these elements. You got it? And now left sum is plus equal to, for each loop you will be adding a variable like an integer into that and then subtracting from that. So you can directly also say if left sum is greater than or equal to total sum minus right sum. If it is the case, what do? You have to, sorry, not right sum minus left sum. What you'll do? Increase the counter to 1 and then you have to return the valid number of splits. So what I do? Return C. And yes, easy, right? Okay. So guys, this was my approach for this problem, and do let me know if there are other approaches to follow. And this is my way of thinking of solving this problem. This was a daily streak problem, and from today I will be posting each day one problem of the daily streak problem in LeetCode. And I hope you do follow the same with me, and let's code every day together. And do let me know any suggestions or any other way of approaches we can do this problem, so I will try to optimize this and find other solution and which will be easy and optimal for this kind of problems in LeetCode. So thank you.